Well, frankly, I don't have the vocabulary to tell them how much I appreciate and how useful and blessed I am for having you. I never felt like a queen in my life. I never felt pampered until hospice moved in, and I feel really pampered, you know? It isn't just a matter of thank you so much, I appreciate it. It's a matter, you become part of my family.
When therapists come into your own home, you know, I look at them and they look at me as like they're just family. You know, when they come to us, that if she's having a bad day, you know, they'll sit there and talk to her first. They do care enough to keep you going. They do, don't they?
Because of Spectrum Continuing Care, we're here today. He's here today. I honestly believe if it had gone another route, maybe, and I can't say any other agencies or whatever, but if it had gone with another agency per se, I don't think he'd be as far ahead as he is here. He doesn't see double anymore. He actually can see in 3D now, and that's just in the last year. And we're talking our 15th year here. It's fantastic. But that's where Spectrum Health has really helped us out, because they're always tossing some new things at us. They're keeping, what I like about it, it's almost like they're doing therapy, like the accident just happened yesterday, and there's that enthusiasm, and Sean feels that enthusiasm, and he gives 200% each time we meet with a therapist, we meet with a doctor, we meet with anybody.
Through just the continued physical therapy and the exercises that Barb had given me to do, rebuilt my strength. I'm stronger now than I was before my surgery. Can still do 3 or 4 thyroid surgeries in a day without an issue, but it's a long transition from picking little toys out of a box of rice to safely putting an ear tube in a little child's ear. But I'm 100% convinced that through that occupational therapy that's why I can do that now. I was discharged on April 27th from the Center for Acute Rehab. It was significant because April 28th was my daughter's, April 28th was Allison's senior banquet, and it was a big goal to get home by that time. We made it April 28th. I was in the park with her. We took some great pictures, and she went off to her banquet, and that was a goal of my rehab. Because of Spectrum Health Continuing Care, I am able to return to a full-time occupation of being a ear, nose, and throat physician, providing quality care to my patients all the way from medical to surgical treatment. But more importantly to me, it restored my ability to be my kid's dad and my wife's husband, and those roles that I couldn't do for a month and a half.
I missed being there. And that's when I first went there, I hated it the first day. But when I left there, I really missed it. And the first decision, in fact, I made the decision even before I left there, that I would come back as a volunteer. Because of the care I got and the people, the encouragement I got, the help that I got, it made it all possible. It was really, I don't know what I would have done, to be honest with you, if it hadn't been for Spectrum Health.
I would say thank you a whole bunch. The staff here are my family. In a way.
I can live a life that's full and a happy life, that I appreciate everything that they have done. Makes me cry. Want to cry. But they have been so good. Everybody that's taken care of me has just been wonderful.